Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marian. In today's video, I will be accomplishing this look, trying out new makeup. It'll be from new releases to makeup that was just new to me. If you would like to see how I accomplish this look, hear my thoughts on these products, then please stay tuned. But before we jump into this video, do not forget to subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, hit the notification bell, share my video because sharing is caring. And without further ado, let's hop into it. Okay, so like I said in the intro, I'm trying out new makeup that has recently been released. So have my bag from Sephora. I did not purchase these items with my own money. I'm still sticking to my no buy challenge, so I just have to put that out there. I have the Yummy Skin Liquid Blurring Balm Mattifying Setting Spray from Danessa Myricks. Now, I'm not really big on mattifying setting spray, but I feel like it'll give a balance to my look. I also got the Makeup by Mario's Surreal Skin Foundation. Hopefully this is a new one. I'm gonna be really upset if it's not. I feel like okay, I'm gonna open it and I'm going to look at it and compare it to the other one. I would think that the new one would be at the top, and since the packaging is the same, I don't know, because I already have this in the original. Okay, this is what it looks like in the original. Looks the same. I think I got the original. Let me look. I'm gonna be so pissed if I did. Okay, I have the Luminous Hydrating Foundation. Cool. It's just so crazy because now the packaging is still the same, but this is what they look like. I literally had to go on Sephora's website to confirm which one I picked up. Now that I know that I got it, we can move on, child. Anyways, and I got the Fenty Skin Grip Trip Hydrating and Plumping Primer. There's a mattifying one as well, but of course you know I wanted to get the hydrating one, and this is what it looks like. It's so cute. I like the the swirl of the products in here. So yeah, let's get into it. Get everything out the way. Now I do have other items that are new to me, but they're not new releases that I am going to incorporate into this makeup look, and they are items that I picked up, I think, when Sephora had a sale going on and I was cleaning up and I found the items. So I'm like, why not, try them out? And so I have all of the above from Rare Beauty. Is a eyeshadow stick. I also have the ones from Fenty as well that I said I was going to use. But let's swatch, okay? So this is what it looks like as far as like all of the regular sticks. It's very smooth and creamy. I like that. The ones from Fenty, what is I have You Ain't Ready, and I think I used another one already. Yeah, I did. Oh, that's pretty too. Now I don't know which one to use. Maybe I could use both. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. So I took the liberty of doing my brows off camera, to minimize the chaos. I'm going to take the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion to prime my eyelids. So while that is settling, let's go ahead and use the primer. And that's what it looks like. I moisturize my face before, you know, doing my brows or whatever. So far, there isn't a grippy feel to it like the Milk Makeup one, but we shall see. So for my eyes, I'm going to take the ABH palette Nouveau, and I'm just going to use some of the mattes in here. Now, I've been having this palette for a long time, so I kind of wanted this to be a little bit more brown than red or orange, but if I need to switch into a different palette, I will. Now I'm going to take the Fenty eyeshadow stick and apply it on top. I'm gonna take a flat brush and just blend it out. I'm more than likely going to have to get a deeper matte shade just to kind of bring some definition to this eye look. But before I do that, I do want to use the Rare Beauty eyeshadow stick just to see what it do. They may not pair well together, but we'll see what it do. And I'm saying as far as the shades, both of them are very blendable, but to be honest, I don't like them together. Yep, that isn't a good look. I'm going to have to fix that. So I ended up using a shimmer out of this palette, and as you can see, it's much better. I will try those eyeshadow sticks by themselves at a later date. That's what I get for experimenting when I know I shouldn't. Okay, so let's use Icy Nude from Huda Beauty. I'm gonna have to go on this with a light hand, because this is definitely dark. So for foundation, let's go ahead and use the new Makeup by Mario. This is 17N, which is the same shade as the original one. I'm using the Japanese foundation brush. I feel like this is enough. I'm going to do one side with the brush, the other with a beauty blender. If you would like for me to do a comparison of both, let me know, of the original Makeup by Mario and then this one. Okay, you know, I still have this much left. And you see the coverage that I got. Now, let's use this. You can see that the sponge soaked up the majority of the product compared to this side. It's giving a little bit more coverage using the brush. So now you see why I use a brush. So I added some more with brush to kind of even it out. Now I did swatch 16.5. It was just slightly too light, so I'm just gonna stick to 17 as my all year round shade. And as soon as my tan starts to leave, I'll just lighten it up with concealer. Okay, moving on to the next product that I would like to try out, and it's from One Size. This is the Ultra Peach Ultimate Setting Powder. Now I have translucent and I have ultra pink. So I was like, let me try this out. It was on sale. I don't even remember when I purchased this. And I'm pretty sure this was released sometime last year or so. So let's try it out together. I think I want to do a comparison video because I do have Peach Pie from Huda Beauty. So, Huda Beauty, however you say it. But just to see, there's a difference. It has the protective guard as usual. And this is what it looks like. I don't want to spill it, but it is in more, the color is more richer to me than the one from Huda Beauty. But let's see. Let's put it to the test. So it definitely gives like an airbrush look. My under eyes are a bit dry, but nonetheless, it looks good. I am going to use the One Size Boucle Silk Airbrush Powder on top just to, you know, give it just a little bit more. Yeah, that definitely gave it a little bit more. All right, so I'm looking real dry right here, which is fine. I'm gonna fix that. Now I do want to see what the powder does as like a reverse contour. Let's brush it off. Okay, it's easy to brush off and it doesn't look bad. I do have like a dry spot right here and I don't even know why. Okay, so moving along to highlighter. I have a highlighter from ABH. This is the Glow Seeker highlight in Enchanted. I have two other ones from this line or whatever, Glow Seeker line. So this was also on sale during the 21 Days of Beauty at Ulta. Same packaging. This is definitely yellow gold, like golden. Let me get the other one so we can compare. So I have Sun Idol, and then this is Enchanted. I don't know if you can see the difference, but I can. Dang, I wish it was better, but it's definitely different. And then Ethereal, this is Ethereal, and Enchanted. Okay, you can see the difference between these two for sure. Put a lot. I just want yeah, that'll do. I'm adding more and more as I'm saying I don't want to add a lot. Okay, so I swatched the highlighters. This one is Sun Idol, this one is Ethereal, and this one is Enchanted. Okay, I'm back. I curled my hair. It's actually nighttime, like around 7:40, and when I started it was like around 6, so it may be a difference in lighting. But now we're gonna move on to lashes. I have 2 different lashes that I've never tried before. This is the Milan style lash from Lily Lash, and then this is the Lily Lashes in, what is it, Soho, and these are the 3D faux mink sheer band. I think I kind of want to do the sheer band and do these at another time. I'm going to have to eventually pull out another adhesive. I have, I think, 2 more in my backup. So these are what they look like. It looks like I'm not going to have to cut them. Oh, just a little. It's something hanging, but I don't have to like trim them. That's a good thing. Okay, cool. Let's get this done. Okay, I like it. I could actually curl it to make it go up some more, but so far so good. Okay, so this is what the lashes are looking like. Okay, so last but not least is the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Liquid Blurring Balm Mattifying Setting Spray. Standard packaging, and let's see what the mister is like. Okay. I wish I would have done my makeup earlier to do like a wear test, but the mister is cool. I really can't give my thoughts because I'm doing this so late. I can definitely feel it though. I can feel it. I definitely can feel it up in here. That's interesting. Thus far, I really am loving this foundation. I like the original one, so I figured I would like the hydrating one. The Fenty primer, I need to play with it a little bit more. It didn't give that like super duper gripping sensation, but I do want to try it out with a different type of foundation, like my Patrick Ta foundation, and just, you know, get a feel of the primer some more. As far as the powder, I like it. I'm going to compare it to Huda Beauty's Peach Pie, so stay tuned for that to see, you know, which one is better, or if they do the same, or if it looks the same. You know, the highlighter is pretty, very stunning, but of course I already knew that because I have the other 2. You know what I'm saying? I'm all out of order. The shadow sticks, I have to use them more and use them by themselves. Combining these 2 together just threw my eye look off, and I want to give them a fair share, a fair opportunity. You know what I'm saying? In regards to the lashes, I like the clear band. I just need to use a lash curler to kind of like lift them some more, but they are very pretty lashes, and I got them on sale from Sephora a while back. They were like 50% off, so yeah. All in all, everything that I tried out that's new to me or new releases, I like. I really don't have any complaints. If you have any of these products, leave a comment down below. Do not forget to subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. Hit the notification bell. And as always, thank you for watching.